friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of April 20th to the 26th. I'm using a kit called One More Chapter by the Planner Shack, which seems a little bit more fall-like than spring-like, but you know what? It's been freezing cold here and it's been snowing basically every day. So I am gonna say this is still appropriate. So it's already Monday night, so I am a little late getting this one filmed, only because I spend most of today printing kits for May and finishing up, oh dear, finishing up the last few segments of my erincondren. So that went up this afternoon and now I have the time for this one. And because really nothing is happening at the moment, I didn't have a huge need, like nothing other than things around the house. I didn't have a huge need for this planner before now. So I am still using this planner as my catch-all for the next little while, and my erincondren as my memory keeper. I just completed, my second spread as a memory keeping planner. I kind of like it. Like, I'm surprised by how much I like it. The only thing I don't like about it is how long it takes. It's really time consuming to put a spread like that together. So I don't know, like, I sort of like the idea of continuing it as a memory keeping planner, but I'm not sure. Like, it takes a long time. And you have to, the other thing that you have to do is actually keep track of what you're doing in the course of a day. And I am not always the greatest at doing that. So, that's crooked, but I'm not gonna fuss with it. Okay, I'm gonna date this quickly. So, how do I wanna do this? It's only 4 to do lists, which is okay. I'm not sure I'm going to use the deco this week. I think I might do more, like I did last week, a little bit more functional than anything else. So I'm going to start by marking the videos that I have each week. I think that's a good place to start. So Monday, nope, this is what I'm wanting. I'm going to use these little bows. So Monday, today is my erincondren. Wednesday will be this baby here. Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Okay. Friday is going to be my daughter's memory keeping planner. And I think that's it. My next one doesn't go up again until Monday. Okay, so that's filming. No, that's videos that are going up. For filming, let's use, I think we'll use these. It's funny, they're way shorter. So filming this today, then Wednesday I will film the recollection spread for my daughter, and Hopefully, I didn't even check to see if you guys could see this. And then Sunday I will film I'll finish up my erincondren for this current week, but I am sort of batch filming them again, and I'm really liking how that's working out. I feel like there should be one more filming in there, but filming this one now. No, that one's filmed. Filming this one now, that one, and then okay. You know what? It's just the end of the day. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right. There is not much else to actually mark down in terms of plans, but I do have a couple things that I want to do. So the first is that tomorrow, oh, that matches the, let's just choose a different one. Tomorrow I want to sort a whole bunch of laundry that's sort of hanging around my house at the moment. If there's a basket, I'll use it. Oh, you know where I have a basket? In my little laundry stickers. There are these tiny ones, and I don't know if there's anything else that would really work. Like, I'm never gonna use the ironing ones. Who irons still? If you iron, drop me a comment and also explain to me why, because I don't get it. Kitty's one. Oh no, she's way too big. Okay. So let's use this. What did I say? Tuesday. We'll put it here. So sort laundry. All right. And then Wednesday, I'm actually going to do laundry. I thought I saw laundry time or laundry day or something in here. But clearly, I am crazy. All right, so let's add in this baby for, yeah, for Wednesday. And then we will grab this little laundry icon, whoops. Oh, I should have put this down. Let's see, it is the good paper. There we go. All right. That is the old extra sticky paper. So laundry will go there. Okay, Friday I have a grocery pickup, and I cannot forget that, because as I'm sure you guys are all experiencing, if you miss one, you may never get another spot. So I don't see anything there. There's probably, yeah, there's a little grocery icon here. We'll use that. So to pick groceries up between 8 and 9. Saturday, I'm gonna do laundry again. So let's grab this pink one. Put that there, and then this time I'll grab one of the tiny washing machines here. If you can hear my husband, I apologize. He is playing video games, and if you've seen any of my videos where he was working from home, you know that he is the loudest person on the planet. I love him dearly. Okay. I think that is it, other than filming, which I'm gonna mark over here, but I want to put my little weekend banner down. here. Oh, it doesn't actually go the full length. Okay. Okay, we can there. That is literally it for like plants, which is crazy. So I'm gonna mark over here with this. Actually, no, not with this. Okay, I'm gonna take these two, and one is going to be, I need some headers. I guess these will have to do. What am I doing? I already marked filming here. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, I still need one of these, but I only need the dinner, whoops, little dinner thing here. So we will put this, I think we'll put it down here in the corner. Dinners like that. And then I think I'm gonna take, so how long are these? Are they the right? They're probably just the right length. Take one of these. Is it? Yeah. Okay, I'll put that like that. Gonna put the little, if I can get it off here, the little to buy sticker here, and that can be my grocery list for when I do my menu for next week. Here I'm going to put a habit tracker. Actually, I think I'm going to put 2 habit trackers there. Oh. I mean, I guess it would have worked, but it's not how I meant to put it down. As you can see, I am clearly scatterbrained. But I'd like you to show me one person who isn't right now. So we'll put this here. Okay. And we have a goals, so I'll put a goals thing. So this is crooked. Will I put a goals thing? I don't know actually if I will. It's super sticky, this tiny one. No. Oh no, I mean it's a habit tracker, right? Okay, that's gonna go there, and then up here, I think I'm gonna do a to-do list. So actually, I wonder if I can switch these out. That'll be okay. All right, let's put these down. Okay, I went a little crooked, but I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I will put this little to-do sticker there, and then I will add my last little separator here. Okay, just gonna see about adding a few other things in. Like, tomorrow is trash day. Whoa, trash day. Just gonna put that there. So I think that that is it in terms of plans. I'm not going to put down any of the full deco boxes this week. I think I'm just going to make it a very functional spread. And I like the way that it's looking. So I'm going to go in and add the pen, and I will be right back to show you the finished product. And there it is, my completed Hobonichi week spread for this current week, April 20th to the 26th. Very pretty kit by the Planner Shack will be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends!